That's what?
Huskies!
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 Huskies!
1, 2, 3, Huskies!
For the past few weeks, pinipilit ako ng tatay ko mag-vlog at mag-start ng YouTube channel. And he has been supportive about it. Tignan nyo nga oh.
Hello guys, good morning mga ka-wonders. Guys, good morning sa inyo mga ka-wonders. Hello guys, good morning mga ka-wonders. Hello guys, good morning mga ka-wonders. Parang pangit.
So, naisipan ko, why not try? Hi, ako nga pala si RJ, isang Filipino resident dito sa Canada. Mahilig ako gumamit ng camera, maglaro ng volleyball, at sa lahat, mag-travel. Ito nga pala si ate, si mama, at si papa. Ano? Tara na! Samahan niyo ako sa aking buhay.
Good morning mga ka-wonders! So, new day, new vlog na naman. Ngayong araw, samahan niyo ako. Meron kaming volleyball tournament sa Mississauga. And kalaban namin mga iba-ibang school from different college and university. Tara mga ka-wonders! Here we go! Ma, una na po ako. Love you. Hi guys, tumatakbo na tayo ngayon. Sabi nila, paalis na daw sila. Oh, late na ako. Huwag niyo ko iwan. Okay, dito na lang.
There's no space. You get to hop in the back.
Oh my gosh. Thank God.
Okay, there we go.
Say hi.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. That's good, man.
Yeah, we were doing Brook and Jubal episodes.
No way.
Actually?
Yeah.
Yo, I love that. Wait, who brought the speaker? You did? Yeah.
The party was let the dog out.
Hello, vlog. Kumusta na vlog? Hoy, kumusta na vlog?
Philippines!
Hoy, Philippines!
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 Thanks, Cody.
All right, let's go to the change room.
We're gonna start. Who wants?
Yo, G.
Number 17, going once, going twice. Okay, that sucks.
Yes, sir.
Hello, chat. Say hi, chat.
Hi, back.
Ay, yung setter namin, guys. Hi, guys. So, nandito na kami and pupunta lang kami ng change room para magpalit.
Yeah.
Who let the dogs out? Who?
Luca. I'm lost. Luca. Don't you wear...
Where's the mark?
I think marking... I think the grip lasts a lot longer. Yeah.
vlog. So right now, I don't even know if we're on, but there's a light. Josh! Hey!
I've got a prime view of Coach Carr right now. Look at her, so serious. There's Jamie. Now they're serving, so I gotta hide. Guys, go serve. Get up.
Serve receive, I think. Our defense is good as long as we stay in the right positioning. So let's try and get that first pass. And if you want to hit, call out for the ball so that he knows where to set you.
Also, let's make sure on defense that we're keeping our back row staggered, right? I don't want 6 taking tips or short balls or anything. Let's be sure about our free ball passes, especially when we're sending free balls over. We can still make them challenging.
And let's have fun.
No, win.
Let's win, yeah.
Let's one. Husky. Let's one. Husky. Let's one. Husky. 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 1, 2, 3. Huskies.
So hi guys, talo kami first game. Tutangkad ng mga
I know.
tutangkad ng mga players
And
nila.
yung ball kasi hindi kami sanay. So parang like, you know.
Okay. Talagang tinatamaan ako. Kanina pa ako tinatamaan ng mga bola.
Kaya tinatawag ka ng ball. I think,
Tinatawag talaga.
go na. I-push mo na. So hi guys!
So ayun, talo kami. Ang tatangkad ng mga babae nila na
Ay,
block.
paulit-ulit.
Nabra-block yung... Hindi, kakat ko yung una. Tapos ito yung didikit ko. So ulitin natin. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So hi guys.
may suka kasi sa akin. Hi guys talaga.
Ganun.
Like,
Hi ka Wonders dapat.
Ay, hi ka Wonders.
3, 2, 1, go. Hi ka Wonders.
Dapat kasi like yung boses mo. Like,
Okay,
Hi ka
okay.
Wonders.
Okay, hawakan natin. Dapat mas
Hi ka
mataas.
Wonders.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi ka
Wonders! Hindi, dapat malungkot kasi talo eh.
Hindi kay talo.
Kahit talo,
Kahit
dapat
talo.
kasi ulit. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi ka Wonders! Guess what? Talo kami.
Ay, medyo sad ka pala.
Ay, ganun pa. Ulitin natin. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi ka Wonders! Guess what? Talo kami. Hindi, kaya kami natalo kasi wala pa kaming kain eh.
Yeah,
Gutom na gutom
8:30.
kami. Ang aga masyado. So, oh, there you go.
Ka-Wonders!
Wonders!
Say ka Wonders.
Stay here.
Hey vlog, I'm also making a vlog, but his is probably gonna be a lot better. I just need to say the team needs to talk, so now we're gonna give it to Julia. Anyways, bye.
They don't want to talk to us. Oh, it's facing me. I thought it was facing Carr.
Guys, first set wasn't too bad. 25, 18, 17, something.
I should probably keep track of that.
Switched up the lineup in the second.
We realized that you only get 1 timeout per match, not per set. So that was
fun to find out after we took our timeout. The timeout worked though. We were down 21-11.
we got a kill right
Came back
after.
up a bit, yeah.
Really looking forward to starting the next game out stronger.
Yep.
We're gonna play with the rotation, the lineup a bit more.
Yep. We're gonna do something a little different.
Who do we play next?
We play Sheridan next.
Oh, right. You did just say that.
So, ngayon, binigyan kami ng $10 voucher para bibili ng pagkain. Galing sa nag-sponsor sa school, I think. And then now, bibili kami ng pagkain kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Uy! Di kita kilala. Bahala ka dyan. Ganda dito, oh. Tignan nyo. So, merong Tim Hortons doon. Halika dito, ha. Ganda dito, dami nilang options. May Tim Hortons, may ganyan. Tara dito. So, syempre, dapat healthy yung kakainin natin, di ba? Tama, tama?
Sir.
Dapat healthy yung kakainin natin.
Like ganyan, candy. Candy.
Okay, vlog. So
Wait.
Rain doesn't know what to buy, but full ciabatta loaf. Okay.
The mic's here.
Okay, guys. So Rain doesn't know what to. Okay. So Rain doesn't know what to buy, but there's clearly like a lot of stuff here. So let's give some enlightenment to Rain.
So right now, we're at Tom Yum. You know Tom Yum?
No, they all open at
Tom?
10:30.
You can switch
10:30. 10:30.
This? So this is Tom, by the way. Tom Yum. So Raiden's like extra hungry right now. I don't know.
You can switch.
Sorry.
You can do this.
Where did y'all go? Cody, why'd you leave us?
Okay. Actually,
I'm gonna go in the middle.
where are you?
Sir, stop following me.
Give me the mic. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Thank you. Excuse me, why are you recording me? Nakabili na kami ng pagkain namin. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na yung ibang 10 pa lang naman. Ay, gusto kasi manood nung iba ng laro. So 10 pa naman, 10:30 yung next game, di ba? So 30 minutes, may 30 minutes kami bago yung next game. So ito, tignan nyo, meron yung dito. So dito makikita nyo, pwedeng manood yung ibang tao. Laki ng court, no? Inside. Ganda dito, meron pa silang gym dun, no? Ganda ng school nila, no? Ng campus. Sobrang laki to, guys. May gym, may booster juice. Tapos, ang laki pa ng nila. Ang laki ng palaruan nila. Warm up na yung kasama natin. So, dun muna tayo kakain. Kasi patay gutom kami ni Yasmin. Mga Pilipino talaga eh. Mga Pilipino talaga, guys. Patay gutom.
A few moments later. Meanwhile.
Here, you have to do that face. When you do the dance. There you go. Oh my god.
Aggressive! Be aggressive! Huskies on 3! 1, 2, 3, Huskies! Be aggressive! Be aggressive! Be aggressive! Be aggressive! Huskies on 3! 1, 2, 3, Huskies!
Yeah! Last one! Last one! Last one! 10 dives. Three, two, one. Hi, ma. 2, 3, go.
Hi mga kawan... Uy, sama ko.
Ay, ikaw lang muna, tapos ako mamaya next game. Ganun. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi mga kawanders!
So, tapos na yung second game namin and panalo naman kami both set. So, 2 sets lang, 2-0. Yeah. Ang watch out namin na team is yung first na namin kinalaban. Kung mapanalo namin to dire-diretso, makakalaban namin ulit yon in the finals. Kasi ganun nangyari last time, di ba?
Yeah.
Tinalo natin yun, tapos nakalaban din natin ulit finals.
Pero last time, madami tayong game.
Siguro parang pa lang yun, set A, parang ganun, gets mo? Tapos kung sino yung lilipat sa set B, parang ganun.
Okay.
Siguro parang ganun, may playoffs, ganun. So kung sa patangkaran din naman yung game, kami talaga yung pinakamaliit. That's why this is not about patangkaran. It's about heart over height.
Lalim mo.
Siyempre, papakita namin kung sino kami. Papakita namin kung sino yung nag-champion last time. Has what?
Huskies!
Has what?
Huskies!
Has what?
Huskies!
Commanders what? Ay, di mo alam. Hindi ko na din alam. I wanna see that. So hi guys, sa kabilang court kami ngayon and mag-warm up na kami for our next game. Kalaban namin yung UTM. So yeah, mag-warm up. Ulit nga!
Ulitin mo.
So hi guys, ano sasabihin ko? Ulit.
Mga ka-wonders kasi yun yung
So, hi mga ka-wonders. Hi mga ka-wonders. So,
say hi mga ka-wonders.
Wait, one more time?
Ka-wonders.
Ka-wonders.
Wait, what?
Hi ka-wonders.
Oh, hi Ka-wonders.
Ah, okay, go. One more.
Hi Ka-wonders.
Ah!
It was a crew guy, so she knew that she was a good team. And I had already met her. And so in that house for years ago, she's just like, give him time.
Okay, right here. Yeah, shift. Ready for short though, eh? Good. Overpass! Run it! I think you guys got thrown off at first with the serves being a bit harder. They're coming pretty flat. That just means we can't be swinging. We just have to hold our platform really well. I think it's pretty good otherwise. It's just the defense. We have to make sure the blocks are, like, we're getting out there to block. You guys make sure you're starting towards the side. Yeah. Because you're kind of in the middle, and then you can't get out to the sides. Down by 7. Okay.
So, hi guys. Natalo kami sa game namin against UTM. So, ibig sabihin nun, laglag na kami sa bracket kasi tulos na kami. And 1 win pa lang. So, wala na. Uwian na. Uwi na kami ngayon. And sabay-sabay na ulit kami sa bus.
So, hi mga ka-wonders. Tapos na po ang laro namin and ngayon, uwi na kami! Hintayin lang namin si Rain. Pero anyways, ba't ba ako nagba-vlog? Ay! Sabi. Wait lang. Saan yung ano neto? Ay, bagal. Scripted talaga to guys. So, hi guys. Dito po yung washroom na ng voice and yung... Uy! Ikaw pala yan! Uy, kamusta?
Hindi. Yung boses mo, malatang script.
Okay lang yun.
Wait, where is this going? And then where is that going?
Really?
Okay, that's much closer to me.
What am I going to space?
I live near Casa then.
Bye, guys.
See you, bro. Good sets today, yeah?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, coach and everyone. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Sabi nila, paalis na daw sila. Nakit na ako. Hindi ko iwan. Oh my God!
No, I'll throw up if I finish it.
Huskies! 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 1, 2, 3, Huskies!
Sarap talaga nitong banana split. Ito talaga yung comfort food ko. Ice cream. Kahit na sobrang lamig sa labas. So, hi mga ka-wonders. So ngayon, nakapag-recharge na tayo. And it was a long day for us talaga ngayon. Although, we were expecting more from us today. Kasi kami yung defending champion sa last tournament namin. Pero, sadly, today is not the day talaga. Pero kahit na natalo tayo at hindi pinalad, ang mahalaga, na-enjoy pa rin natin yung laro natin, di ba? Lalo na kasama natin yung mga taong tinuturing din natin pamilya. Ganito lang naman yung buhay atleta. Minsan nananalo, minsan natatalo. Pero mahalaga, kahit matalo kayo ng matalo, dapat hindi pa rin kayo susuko. Kaya ba sa mga atleta dyan? Paano naman yung araw nyo?